it's Maria from PA Dance Network and Happy Healthy Whole Essential Oils. Happy weekend. How is it going, everybody? I hope you are doing well. I hope that your week has been restful and productive. And if you are like me, maybe you have been outside doing some gardening this week, especially with the summer solstice and all the beautiful weather that we've been having here. And I hope that wherever you are, you've been having lovely weather too. It's been just a really beautiful spring here in the Poconos in northeastern PA, and also the start of the summer has just been a beautiful, nice cool evenings and warm days. Just love it. I wanted to just come to share a quick tip with you, a really important one, especially if you are out gardening, and a couple of our oils can really help you. And I want to just give you a little Zen moment with those and see how they would serve you when you are doing your gardening. So today I was doing a lot of gardening, obviously, in between some dance classes and some yogaing. And I finished up the last part of what I wanted to do in my beautiful flower garden. And it was like getting time to be like little mosquito time of the day. So of course I have a couple of mosquito bites. Can you see them? There's a really big one there. And there are oils for that. We have an oil for everything. So the oil that I put on right away is basil oil. Basil oil takes the inflammation and the itchy, burny sting right out of any bug bite, really within seconds, truly. And also, so does lavender oil. Okay, so if you have any little bug bites, go ahead and load up on those. And I just want to share with you how easy it is. You just put it right on topically, and instantly your bug bite stings feel soothed and comforted. And it also really helps to take down, again, as I said, any inflammation. I remember one time, oddly enough, I got stung by a bee on my lip when I was walking down one of my garden paths. And you know, my husband and I were just outside and we were gardening. This was several years ago actually, and all of a sudden I guess I must have just walked into one, and of course I scared the bee. Bees are really actually good. They're happy. They bring happiness to us and they do a lot of good for our planet, but if they are disturbed or if they feel frightened, they kind of attack. I guess you could imagine that that would be a natural response, even for insects. So I must have walked into it and I got stung accidentally, and instantly I was just trying to keep myself calm and everything. My husband just grabbed a piece of the basil plant. This was early on in the years that we were using oils. I mean, it was before we even thought to use oils on bug bites. And he just grabbed the basil plant and he's like, "Here, honey," he rolled it up and he stuck it right in my lip, and literally within seconds I'm like, oh my gosh, this is like totally working. So that's just a little story to share with you, but the basil oil works awesome. So things like that happen when you're outside gardening. And the other thing I wanted to share with you is to keep yourself cool while you are gardening or doing anything outside. I love this little baby right here. This is the peppermint roller bottle, or they call it Touch. This is what they call the doTERRA Touch roller bottles, and this one's the peppermint. It is filled with peppermint oil, which I just love, and the rest of it is all fractionated coconut oil. And it comes in a handy, convenient roller, and you just roll it on the back of your neck. Even when I came in from gardening, I rubbed it all over my arms. It just feels so refreshing, and it keeps you cool while you're outside. You can put it on your feet. Peppermint's really uplifting, but it's also calming. So I really just wanted to share those easy tips with you for everyday things that happen. This is part of our daily diary oils vibe, which I am doing all month long, every day. If you haven't gotten a chance to look at any of the videos before today, or if you've only had a chance to look at a few of them, you can visit my YouTube page. padancenetwork.com is my website, and then PA Dance Network. Just look that up on YouTube and you can find all of these videos, and I have pictures with the videos and a nice little opening and closing to each of the videos. So there's just a lot of joy and fun waiting for you there, among all of their other tips, which are some spiritual guidance tips, some different yoga practices are there, some meditations are there. So there's just a lot of fun. Of course, there's lots of dance videos if you want to watch those too, and check out all of my choreography and beautiful dancing by my dancers that I've trained over the years. So visit there if you'd like to, or if you are here on our Happy Healthy Whole Essential Oils page, of course all of the videos are listed underneath albums, and you can find those here. They're just always going to be here. And I'm still working on how to make the quality of the videos better for you when you are seeing them live on Facebook. The quality of them transferring to YouTube is really great, but it seems that there's a different quality difference here on Facebook. So I'm working on that. I would love to support you, to help you with your oils journey. So would many of our wellness advocates here. So if you need some support, you're ready for your next steps, if you haven't started yet, please reach out to us, and let's have just a moment of silence for ourselves, and have you taken time to be with yourself today? So let's do that. And how many people have you been there for today? And have you been there for yourself? So let's just go ahead and sit quietly wherever you are. You can put your lavender oil on, your peppermint, anything really that you're being called to, and just take a minute to collect yourself and just to focus on your breath. Taking a 5-minute breather, letting go of all of the busy tasks and duties and all of the to-do lists. And just allowing your breath to flow through your body without any attachments, calming yourself, and just really just coming back home to yourself. Collecting all pieces and parts of you. And just feeling wrapped by a big, yummy hug all around you. And then just gently reach your arms all the way out. Give yourself a big stretch overhead. Inhale, bring your palms overhead, and touching your palms to one another in prayer pose. Taking the deepest breath you've taken all day, and letting it go in peace. Namaste, everyone. And thank you again for being here. I hope that you enjoyed this. Again, if you'd like to go back and look at all of the other videos, there's so much information for you. And I would love to support you in any way that you need. So thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.